Hi, this is Vizzy Trade channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change display orientation to landscape or portrait. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So, whether you're a programmer needing a vertical display for code review or a content creator working with portrait orientation designs, or simply dealing with an accidentally flipped screen, knowing how to rotate your computer screen is an essential skill. So in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to change your display orientation on your PC or laptop. So it's very simple. So first of all, of course, you can just go to your settings on your Windows. And here you can go to display settings. Now you can just scroll down, and on scale and layout section there is an option display orientation. So by default your display orientation is of course landscape, and if you want to change your display orientation to portrait, you can just select on portrait. So now you will uh, get a portrait orientation on your PC or laptop. And if you want to keep changes, you can select on keep changes. It's very simple, right? And also, if you want to change like this to portrait, so you have four option in here: landscape, portrait, landscape flipped, portrait flip. So you can choose based on your need. Maybe you want to change to landscape flip. So we'll get like this. So reverting to previous display setting in 10 seconds. So if you want to keep changes, you can select on keep changes like this. It's very simple, right? So in here, in this system settings on your display setting, you can change your orientation uh, screen on your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your display orientation on PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.